Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and as you can tell from the thumbnail, I'm doing a ride along. And doing a ride along with this one right here. This is Qaed Al Fursan. And man, this one they say it smells similar to Creed, but I mean Aventus, but it doesn't really. It's just a pineapple kind of uh youthful kind of vibe to it. So I'm gonna be running around a little bit today. I figure I'd try it out. Do it, and I haven't done the ride along with this. So starting out, go ahead with these sprays. This spray is kind of light though. It puts out a wide spray, but it's not a whole lot of juice. So I kind of have to hit the same spot a couple of times. There we go. And get behind neck. Ah, good. All right. Oh, let's get one on the shirt and sides. All right. Let's check this out. It's a got it in my mouth. It's supposed to be kind of it's starting out cool today, but it's supposed to get up till I think maybe like mid 80s. So it should be a good day for this because it's something that you don't want to wear when it's super hot. But I'll get into that a little bit more later. Right now it is 11:50. And the temperature is, I think I just saw it. I think it's 75 degrees right now. Let's see. It is 75 degrees right now. All right. So let's check it out. See how it go. Roll with me. Hey, what's going on, folks? So I'm doing a little check-in. It is now 12:55, almost exactly an hour. Fragrance is still jumping off my skin. When I first sprayed it on, it was really strong. It was pushing way out, and now it's kind of calmed down a little bit. It's still jumping off my skin because it's a sweet fragrance, so you're going to smell it, but it's calmed down a lot right now, so it's a lot better. But I think it might last pretty long. I can't remember how it was the last time I wore it, so we'll see today. Oh, and right now it is 79 degrees, so it's gotten a little bit warmer also. All right, keep rolling with me.
Whoa!
Oh, okay.
Yo!
Contact! Hit him hard!
Whoa!
Oh, wait! Behind.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, shoot!
Whoa!
The exhaust vent! Dodge!
Watch out! You died!
Attack! Lay down to press the fire!
Oh, no!
Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! Come on!
Don't hurt
Oh, shit! Oh, shoot!
It's fire! Look out!
Oh, duck!
Yeah! Now that's fighting like the red line to blow off some steam and dance. Yeah! Shake it out! Woo!
out of the way of the cars. All right, so just wrapping up, hanging out with some friends, and it is now 6:11, and fragrance is pretty much gone. It is somewhat of a skin scent, but it's pretty much gone. It faded out after maybe about 4 hours. So it starts off strong, but it is what it is. I'll do a wrap up in a little bit. All right. Oh, and the weather, it actually got a little bit cooler before I go. Well, actually, maybe not. It's 81 degrees. So I'll do a wrap up in a little bit. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I'm back in. Let's wrap this up now. This was this video went a little bit longer than I thought it was going to go. This day went longer than I thought it was going to go. But anyway, this is Al Fursan, the ride along, Qaed Al Fursan. Man, this fragrance, the first couple of hours, like I think 2, maybe 3 hours, it was like jumping off my skin strong. It has this strong pineapple note in the top, man, and it just smells really good. It smells kind of like a can of pineapple, sliced pineapples that you get from the grocery store. That's kind of what it smells like, but it has a little bit more depth to it. And after that first couple of hours, like 2-3 hours, it comes in, it gets a little bit fresher, and then it gets a little darker where it smells like maybe like a cedar wood or something like that. A little bit spicy, slightly spicy, but more woody, and then it just fades out altogether. So, right now, not that it matters because the scent is completely gone now. I don't smell it on me at all, but right now it is 9:35, and the temperature's dropped. It's 67 degrees now. So for Al Fursan, let's go check out these notes. The notes for Qaed Al Fursan. I don't know why I just keep saying Al Fursan. The top notes are pineapple and saffron. And then the middle notes, we have balsam, fig, jasmine. And then in the base notes, there is amber, cedarwood, and agarwood. Cedarwood, that's what I was kind of smelling. And the oud, the agarwood, this has agarwood in the form of oud, but I don't really get any oud or agarwood. It doesn't smell like that type of wood. It smells more like a cedar wood, or maybe even like a blonde wood. It's like really, really, really light, and that's in the dry down. The dry down doesn't last that long. The dry down lasts maybe about an hour, and then it's gone. So it's like the opening is the longest, then the mid is probably about another hour and a half, 2 hours, and then the dry down is only like maybe an hour, maybe. But yeah, hi, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me doing this ride along with this pineapple beast here. Oh my goodness, this is a really good fragrance for layering also. And I usually layer it, but I wanted to see how it was just by itself rocking out. All right, it's Billy and your boy Will with the Will Report. Till next time, deuces.